Hello, and this is the DOE Danger of Experiments channel, where today we're going to be doing detecting carbon dioxide using indicators. So, let's get to it. I have to close the door. Okay, I'm back. What we're gonna be doing is detecting carbon dioxide. So I don't know if it's the same thing if I just use the detector. But to do this is there's not much safety precaution in this. Only that if you're gonna make the detector, if you already the best one is purple cabbage juice, which is a natural indicator of pH. So you'll be needing, of course, how to make this. It how to make this is you have to boil water. You cut 2 cups of purple cabbage, small pieces, into a, and then put that thing into a pot. And then with another pot, you boil water, and then after it starts boiling, you you put the water in the second pot. So the juices in the purple cabbage come out. And that's why it's bad, because it could 1 minute it burn. You could get burned. Also, we'll be using potassium. Nah, not this is not potassium. We don't need potassium. We need carbonate. So if I can do this, I could just take this out, put this here. Sodium carbonate. Okay, so what we'll be needing is valve. Okay, what we'll be needing is sodium carbonate, which safety precaution which has which if you touch it and you put it if you touch your eyes, it will give you serious eye irritation. So be careful with that when you're handling sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Also, what we'll be needing is 2 test tubes, measuring spoon, a cup, a measuring cup, and indicator, pipette, and the pipette. So after that, I'm just gonna put my gloves on. Before what you needed to do for this experiment before is that you need to mix baking soda with vinegar, making carbon dioxide, and you like you grab a bottle, you put inside of a balloon, you put baking soda, then inside of the bottle you put vinegar, and when you put the balloon inside, when you put the balloon on top of the on where there's supposed to be the cap, and you flip the balloon, it will cause a chemical reaction making carbon dioxide, and then you put it in one of the test tubes. But wait, the darkness, it's too much. It's too dark this side, and this side there's light. But okay. So well, oh wait, I need either way. No, I'm gonna pause this video for a little second. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Now that I have my gloves on, we'll need to open this bottle. And last time I tried to do this video, this thing opened, but it left a mess. So hopefully I could open this without leaving a mess, leaving a mess, leaving a mess, leaving. Okay, good. Okay, let's just safely put that down. Okay, then you want 5 milliliters of water. There is no water here. I'll go get my water thing. Okay, I got my water. So, let's get 5. Okay, wait. This way does not work. That's it, 5 milliliters of water. And then a teaspoon of there you go. Okay, so let's mix this. Mickey, ven acá. Yo preguntándole a tú vas a ver que ella sabe lo que yo voy a decir que no. Mickey! Wait a second. Wait, it's still. Okay, so this experiment is going very slow. Okay, so after you mix this, you will need to add it to one of the containers, one of the test tubes. There you go. Let's just put that here. Then we make another batch for the second test tube. There you go. And I closed it. Okay, let's do this quick. There you go. Let's mix a teaspoon. Uh-oh. Starting to fail. Uh-oh. It got stuck to the... Okay. Whatever. There you go. Let's just... Uh-oh, it fell. But okay. So let's just put that in the second one. And close this. So no carbon dioxide gets into here. So okay. Now we use the first one. And we blow on it. Then we shake it a little to get the sodium carbonate to get mixed with the carbon dioxide. So after that, you get your indicator, which I use cabbage juice. And let me get my... It smells good and bad at the same time. I don't like cabbage. Actually, I like cabbage. It tastes like... How can I tell? It kind of like cabbage. It tastes like broccoli pretty much. Excuse me for a bit. Okay, again. So I use cabbage juice, and I pretty much like it because it tastes like broccoli, pretty much. So okay, so you get in a pipette. You see how? Let me just touch this. You see how that's purple? You see how this clear? Okay, so then you put, let's see, about how many drops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let's put 23. No, let's put the whole thing. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, so I put the whole thing. See how it's turning greenish? Okay? You see, it's kind of greenish. You can't see it, but if I put my hand in the bottom, and then if you could get to compare with the color, actual color before. Oh my god, the black. Okay, the color before and the color after, it's greenish bluish. So now with this, let's put the same amount of cabbage juice and see the color of what color does it. Okay, so let's put this right here. Let's open this without blowing on it. Hopefully it gives us different color, because I just did it fast, so I'm already gonna give the same different color. So okay, let's add the same amount. Oh god, it gave the same color. Let's see. This ain't supposed to happen. Probably got into contact with some carbon dioxide. Weird. So, fail. I think it got mixed with some carbon dioxide. I probably blew on it or something because the air is pretty much contained. So, I pretty much screwed that up. I still have. Oh no, but I don't want to waste my chemicals. Okay, so supposedly when it doesn't come into contact with carbon dioxide, it changes to red. It changes red, right? Let me see. If I could just find my book. I think it changes reddish, and when it comes into contact with carbon dioxide, it turns greenish. Greenish. It turns greenish. So my battery's almost dead, so I have to do this quick. So it turns almost greenish, and that's because if you mix sodium carbonate with carbon dioxide, you make sodium bicarbonate. Bicarbonate, I think so, and sodium bicarbonate interacts with the indicator, turning it greenish. That greenish. So the next video I'm gonna do, it's to this test this on different types of pHs, like pH on my water, in my fish tank water, pH on vinegar, on baking soda. No, not baking. Lime water. No, lime juice, water, and that. So, without further ado, this is BOE, Dangers of Experiments, and I'm going out. Out.